Jazz of Vierge is set to take center stage at the breathtaking Point Vierge, one of St. Lucia's longest and most scenic peninsulas. Scheduled for April 27th, 2025, this vibrant celebration marks a historic first, the Micoud constituency's debut hosting a major jazz event.
For the first time in history, the constituency of Micoud North will be hosting its inaugural jazz activity, and we've coined the term Jazz en Vierge. And the reason we've coined the term Jazz en Vierge is because the area where we're having the jazz activity is called Point Vierge, and this is the longest peninsula in St. Lucia. I guarantee you and all St. Lucians that this will be the most scenic jazz site in St. Lucia, and you can come back after jazz to be your own judge.
Jamaican reggae legend Sanchez is set to headline the inaugural Micoud Jazz Festival, bringing his timeless vocals to the southern stage. Joining him will be St. Lucia's own stars Shane Ross and Teddyson John, adding local flair to an already unforgettable lineup.
Our tickets are already out. We have our headliner, Sanchez, who is going to be there. The activity is going to be held on Sunday, the 27th of April 2025 from 3 p.m.
Micoud North MP Jeremiah Norbert says the event is already creating quite a buzz, generating excitement across the constituency and beyond.
This is the first time that we are having jazz at the community at that level. We've had jazz at a smaller level, but it has been somebody in their personal capacity, but at the constituency level, this is the first time that we're having jazz, and I know that this has generated quite a bit of excitement. First National has jumped on board as our platinum sponsor. They're going to be they're willing to take on this initiative. Quite a few other sponsors have expressed interest in funding, in providing sponsorship for this activity. So we, the constituents and the people of Micoud, we're very excited, and I invite all the media houses to join us on the 27th of April for our inaugural jazz activity.
Micoud is among several communities chosen to host fringe events for the St. Lucia Jazz and Arts Festival, a move aimed at decentralizing the festival's offerings and weaving it more deeply into the cultural fabric of everyday island life. Gina Filippi, HTS News Force.